Hey, Dr. Malka here, your chiropractor and acupuncturist practicing in Los Angeles, California. Are you getting a snap, crackle, pop in your wrist when you move them? Whether that cracking is hurting or if it doesn't hurt, you really need to eliminate it. The reason being is muscles cross a joint. The purpose of the muscle is movement, and to move a joint, the muscle has to cross the joint. So if these muscles are really tight, wouldn't you agree that they're compressing your joint? And that's what's causing those fibers, those tendons to kind of grind against each other. And if you allow this to just continue, that compression could eventually lead to arthritis. So let's get started. There's two ways we're going to release your popping and cracking, and that's through massage and stretches. Starting with the massage, all you need is just, any sort of household oil, and just put it on the area like this. And then come in with the other forearm and just do nice deep massage crossing the wrist. And just keep nice firm strokes. If you want it firmer, don't use your arm to press down. Use your body. This way you won't get tired. And I just felt a little pop in my wrist, which means I'm opening it up. Another tool you can use, there's a Chinese medicine tool called gua sha, where you come across the muscles like this. And of course, I don't expect everybody to have a gua sha tool. So you can go ahead and use a kitchen utensil, a spoon or a fork, and just come across like this. But my preferred method really is just using your own body and just coming in and sliding it across like this. And you could do this for 5 minutes and then kind of test it. Get the arm up like this. Do you still hear that popping? And then you'll also want to massage the other side. Having the arm down like this, bringing the other arm like this, and just doing downward strokes with the other arm. Trying to use your body pressure as much as possible. Now, this area I'm doing can be a little sore because this bone's a little bit sharp, but you can then come in the more fleshy part of your forearm and do the massaging as well. And you can see already I'm getting a little redness in here from the massaging. When you're finished with this, don't forget to put an ice pack on it for 20 minutes because once you do massage, it can be a little sore there the next day. So let's go on to the other arm. Again, just your household oil, coconut oil, olive oil. This is coconut oil, and it's actually a little hard at room temperature, so I had to put it in the microwave. And again, place the hand like this, bring the other arm like this on top, and just stroke down in this direction. And you could be nice and firm with this. And then even when you get to the hand, you can even come in with the elbow and just really dig into that thumb and the palm of the hand with your elbow and just get nice muscle releases. But if this is all you feel comfortable doing, maybe you're not so confident with the elbow, it slides off, just use the forearm and make sure to come all the way across that wrist into the hand. And really try to massage as much of the forearm as you can because all these muscles come down and they attach like this. Let's do the other side. Again, we have our oil. And just doing downward strokes with the other arm. Making sure to cross the wrist. You don't really have a whole lot of muscles on the top of your hand, so it's not as necessary to do the whole hand like the palm. And then even start maybe even a little above the elbow. And just doing downward strokes with the other arm. So I might pause and go ahead and work in here for a little bit until it releases. We're all going to have tightness in different areas of our body. So that's kind of a rule with any therapy, is wherever you feel any tightness in any areas that you're working, pause and give that area a little more attention.